Okay, so this is a before and after video. Here's my wife who does not want to be on film, but here we go. I'm just going to walk around the house quickly. I'm not going to go up front. Well, maybe I will. Maybe I'll go there first. Okay, but I want to film this. We're just starting Hurricane Milton right now. It's starting to rain, and our pond is already full. Yep, the house is in good shape right now. Oh, it's starting to come down. I'm gonna have to get out of these clothes when I go back in. Look how high the pond is. It's already up to the trees. And I tell you, at the beginning of the summer, this pond was almost empty because we had a very, very dry year. Look at this guy out jogging. Well, I guess you may as well. It's not windy at all yet. But the storm, Hurricane Milton, is supposed to hit us about midnight to 2 in the morning. And right now it's a category 4. It was a category 5 at one stage, which is as high as you can go. So let's walk through here. Actually, look at the ground, is already saturated. Oh, I have to tell you, I'm a bit worried about this one. This is a big storm. Okay. So let's go out here. Film. Car. One of them. Yeah, just pray that, just praying that everything is fine. Yeah, everything's looking fine right now. Oh my goodness, there is nothing that we can do about this. It's already saturated now, so man, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, gonna turn it off now. Walking back into the house. Okay, Milton is just about starting here. 6:15, Wednesday, October the 9th, and it actually looks worse out front. But man, this pond, look at it, it's already up to the sidewalk. And we're just now starting, so this is the highest I have ever seen it. And we've been here 8 years. And this was almost empty a few months ago. So, God have mercy on us. Fortunately, I'm looking through a screen here. Deep here, too. Whoa, man, I can't even open that door. Look out there. We got some slats missing on the fence here. Man. And this is nothing compared to what it's going to be. So originally they said it'd arrive at 2 a.m. I think now they're saying like 6 hours early. And I can hear the alarm going off at that school over there too. Okay, I'm turning this off out, going up front. Okay, it's out the front. Of course, it's calmed down a bit. Gonna be hearing sirens all night. You know what? We just put a new roof on this house in April, so 6 months ago. So thank goodness we did that. The old roof, I think it withstand a 75-mile-an-hour hurricane. This one can withstand 150 miles an hour. So we doubled the safety. So this is the tree I'm worried about. Man, and there's stuff falling out of this tree all the time. So Okay, I'm turning it off for now. Come back out here later. Well, I'm starting to wonder if this tree is going to survive this. Look at this, we got stuff down already. All the yellow will be gone. I don't know if you can see what's going on out here, but the lanai is covered in some rain. This out here, I mean, geez, we got a lot of water down here already. Wow. Wow. Man, I hear these poor ducks trying to fly in this. Crazy. It's just gonna keep getting worse. I don't want to open this door. Got 1, 2, 3 major branches down. I don't know why it... We've lost power too. The power just went out. We are again in the front. And I hear kids out here. I don't want parents to let their kids out in this. Mind you, if I was a kid, I'd be out there too. Power's out. Well, come back in a bit. Can't see a thing. So I'm gonna turn it off.